Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom rub shoulders with, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to meet or spend time with someone socially, especially someone important or famous. The hairdresser became very popular and was hired by celebrities. I love my job so much. I get to rub shoulders with the stars. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The friends discuss why they think one of their other friends tells lies. I just find it hard to believe some things she says. Last week, she told me she rubs shoulders with royalty. The parents were not happy with who their son was hanging out with. I don't want you rubbing shoulders with them anymore. You are going down the wrong path. The couple were invited to a gala dinner. My wife has been looking forward to this for weeks. She's eager to rub shoulders with the upper class. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The newly elected politician was still getting used to their new life. I don't think I'll ever get used to rubbing shoulders with the elite. The famous lawyer loves his job. He has taken cases for many of the world's most powerful people. I rub shoulders with some really important people, and the best part, I get paid for it. After her recent promotion, Gina is enjoying office management life. It's nice to see what it's like to sit in meetings and rub shoulders with upper management. It's a real eye-opener. Where did you hear the expression, rub shoulders with? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.